Can we put Flint in that stroller?
Yeah.
We can.
Yeah. Maybe
Right.
he is in here. Oh, maybe Lila.
Oh, Lila's gonna go in the stroller?
Yeah, where is it?
Your real brother Flint has it.
Oh, he doesn't. Oh. She needs a hat. Oh, the baby hat. Wow, wow, wow.
Flint. All right, say goodnight.
Good night.
Say I love
I love you.
Flint. Flint. Say goodnight. Flint. Uh-oh. Lila. He's getting something he shouldn't get.
Ah.
Flint, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah.